Hello everyone. In this presentation, we will tackle about on how we conduct our study and what is our analysis in this evaluation. Our group conducted an evaluation regarding on technologies integrating inside of a classroom. We formulated 10 standards with a rate of 4 is the highest to 1 is the lowest. This evaluation sought to evaluate if there are technologies integrating within the classroom. The evaluation was conducted in Upper Tumbler Elementary School 2 with Ma'am Jovita Legaspi's classroom. As the evaluation conducted, the following are the 10 standards. The first standard is cell phones for taking down notes. Second, the use of LED screens of or smart TV for presenting the lesson. Next is the teacher uses laptops or desktops to make activities and tests for students. 4. Using computers in submitting outputs. 5. Google Docs for student collaboration. Enhancing learning using laptop for video presentation, animation, and simulations. 7. A quick speed of internet for an instant access to relevant information to supplement the learning process. 8. Posting homework assignments online via learning platforms like Google, Classroom, and Moodle. 9. The use of printing machines for handouts and examination papers. And the last one is the use of YouTube application for virtual field trip. We'll proceed in our findings. Based on our evaluation tool, we analyze the findings. The following are the results of our evaluation.
First, 4 out of 10 standards of our evaluation tool got the lowest rate of 1. As you can see on our presentation, cell phones for taking down notes because they are using traditional materials such as notebooks and pencils. The teacher prohibits them to use their gadgets during class hours. In our standard number 4, stating that using computers in submitting outputs is 1 because just like the first standard, they also use traditional materials and methods such as face-to-face or personally passing the outputs. Standard number 5, Google Docs for student collaboration is also 1 because students were collaborating face-to-face. And posting homework assignments online via learning platforms like Google Classroom and Moodle is rate of 1. Just like in our standard number 4, the teacher never used these applications, otherwise she uses traditional methods such as passing students assignments directly or physically to the teacher. Second, 3 out of 10 standards get the rate of 2, and these standards are the following. The use of LED screens or smart TV for presenting the lesson. Instead of LED screens, the teacher uses projector to have a bigger screens for discussion and presentations. Standard number 8, a quick speed of internet for an instant access to relevant information to supplement their learning process because the teacher only used data connection to browse information online. And standard number 10, the use of YouTube application for virtual field trip. This is due to the teacher being wise enough, so instead of browsing video in YouTube, she already downloaded these videos from the teacher's house to have an easy and quick access during class.
The 3 remaining standards out of 10 standard reaches the highest rate of the evaluation tool. So there's no need to explain further because it is clearly seen that this classroom integrated with technologies. The followings are the remaining standards. First, the teacher uses laptops or desktops to make activities and tasks for the students. Second, enhancing learning using laptop for video presentations, animations, and simulations. The last is the use of printing machines for handouts and examination papers. For the conclusion, based on the findings of our evaluation tool, here's what we conclude. Teacher Legaspi's pupils and classroom not really integrated with technologies in terms of teaching and learning. Not all of our mentioned technologies and software were used, and instead, the teacher has its own strategies and uses projector and widescreen. However, laptops and printing machines are presented inside the classroom for handouts, test papers, presentations, and other instructional materials. Therefore, Teacher Legaspi's classroom is not fully equipped with technologies that helps to cope up with 21st century learning. Also, in her classroom, strategies is more on traditional way of teaching and assessing. As for recommendations, based on the findings from the evaluation tool, the following are hereby recommended. First is the teacher must integrate more with technologies, so instead using projectors, with teacher must change it into LED screens or smart TVs. More and more studies shows that technology integrations in the curriculum improves student learning process and outcomes. Teachers who recognize computers as problem-solving tools change the way they teach. They move from a behavioral approach to a more constructivist approach. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening and God bless.